you can expect.
Well, I do think that the clouds may be an issue, especially for our east and southeast counties. So fingers crossed that we'll be able to see something out there. But again, we'll have to watch for those clouds overnight tonight. Temperatures, what a difference. 64 right now in Dallas versus 70 in Fort Worth. Look at Mineral Wells coming in right now at 76 degrees. So temperatures all over the board this afternoon, but that's still 7 to as much as 11 degrees warmer than just this time yesterday. And that warming trend is going to continue as we head into the middle part of this week. So your hour-by-hour forecast, we take a live look out over Clyde Warren Park, downtown Dallas. Temperatures only into the upper 50s to lower 60s, it looks like, heading into the overnight hours tonight, before warming back up into the 70s as we head into tomorrow. Satellite and radar, they're the clouds we were talking about, especially to the east and southeast of the Metroplex. And some of those clouds actually giving way to a little bit of precipitation here once you get north of the Houston area. So in between Dallas and Houston, this is where we're seeing the rain out towards Grapeland, to the north of College Station, getting into Robertson County here. And these may sneak up into our southern counties as we head into the evening tonight. So just a slight 10% chance of a few sprinkles. I'll tell you what, look at California right now. They are getting hammered with that atmospheric river just pouring into San Francisco, transitioning over to snow here in the Sierra Nevadas, where they're picking up multiple inches of snow out there towards Reno. So if you're a big skier headed out towards Heavenly, well, it's going to be heavenly with the amount of snow that they're going to get. Nationwide, that's really about it as far as the active weather across the country. It's nice to see something quiet for once. Now, as we head into the coming weekend, we're talking about much colder conditions headed our way, but not until the weekend. Take a look at this. This is Tuesday. Look at the warm air surging on into Texas and the heartland here. Very warm conditions, temperatures well above average. But that storm system bringing snow to California right now, well, there it is. It's going to continue to move on off into the heartland. Warm air out ahead of it, but it's the second area of low pressure right there that's going to dive down into northern Mexico, and that's going to provide impulses of moisture into our area just in time as a strong cold front begins to work its way into the region. So you put the two together, and it spells a cold and wet weekend ahead, it looks like, especially as we head into your Saturday. So keep that umbrella handy. You're going to need it, it looks like, heading into the upcoming weekend. Here's the future sky. We're dealing with a cold front that's going to be working its way into the area. Tuesday, you'll notice a few scattered showers out there, but as we expand the view here a little bit, you'll see there's that front trying to move into the region as we head into Thursday. Scattered showers in your forecast. That's going to back up as a warm front, keeping things relatively mild heading into your Friday. And then finally, that cold front begins to work its way back into the region, bringing much colder conditions into our region, again, heading into Saturday and Sunday. The reason for this, we have what we call an Arctic oscillation ongoing right now, but it is slowly transitioning to a negative phase, which is going to allow that jet stream to become a little bit more wavy and allow those colder temperatures to spill south. So here's your forecast. 75 tomorrow, 79 on Wednesday. And again, Brooke, as we head into the weekend, how about only mid to upper 40s for daytime highs?
All right.